Hello and welcome to day 3 of Moron Math Minecraft Old People Style, where I just run around and play Minecraft. This is day 3 and it is still raining outside. I've turned down the volume of the rain, hopefully, so it's not nearly as loud as it was, at least for me in my earbuds the other episode. And so I'm on top of a hill, which I'm not really happy about, but that's where I am. And I have my dirt fort. And I've got some iron now. And so now my mission for today, especially since it's raining, is to go find some lava. Some hot lava so I can make some stone bricks. Because I want some stone bricks. So first I'm going to get some wood so I can make some chests. Oh, hello, iron. I need that iron. Because I will be wanting some chests when I'm down at the bottom level, because I have some iron buckets which I got last episode, and I'm going to use those buckets to get buckets of lava and just start making stone and then stone bricks. So it's weird that the rain noise stops when I'm in the middle of my ladder climb down to the bottom, and as I get to the bottom the ladder sound will come back. There it is. And so I'm down here. What episode? Episode. Just kidding. What level? I'm on level 15. I want to be down at level 12 because that is close enough to level 11 for me to care about. And so this is where I should start running into lava and diamonds and redstone. Yay! So I'm going to open this floor up into a 5x5 configuration. Don't mind the computer randomly going to the menu screen. It just sort of does that. I don't know why, but it's been doing that since we got this computer. And only in Minecraft, which is a bit odd. So I'm widening this out so it's 5x5. Oh, what's this? We've got some dirt down here. That's interesting. It's not always true, but I always have a sinking suspicion when I find dirt this low in the ground that there's probably some lava behind it. But I don't hear any lava now that the rain stopped. I can kind of listen to what I'm doing. Oh, I do hear water through this wall, though, which is nice. Alright, so I am going to start mining this redstone and start getting lots of experience all at once. And let's see, just plug up this hole for now. So I'm ready to put down some chests, just so I have some places to put things. So I'm going to put 2 chests there, and 2 chests here. So now I can start looking for lava. And so notice that I have a torch there, so I've figured out, and this is just me, I'm sure you can set it up totally differently, that if I do it every 6 blocks, every 6 meters, that nothing will spawn because it's bright enough. You can probably go farther. I'm not sure how far you can go. I know 10 or 11 is too far. Whoa, what's going on? I'm glitching here. But going 6 spots fits my whole symmetry thing, so. And I hear lava, which is good. That's my goal, is to find lava. And I need to be ready to plop down a piece of dirt if I accidentally dig into the side wall of a lava pit. It sounds like the lava is to my left. And to my front, so we'll see. Oh. I got some iron here. But I'm really nervous because I hear lots of lava. Oh no, I lost my lava. I mean, not my lava. I lost my iron. Oh well. I thought that might happen. Alright, so I'm going to put a piece of dirt here so I don't fall in the lava. And now, I'm going to start collecting hot lava. Because with this stuff, I can make some stone bricks. And notice I immediately change away. I'm not holding the lava out because I might accidentally place it somewhere. I really don't want to do that. So now I need a place to make my furnaces. I think I'll put them over here, make a second room. Again, it'll be 5 by 5. The way I design my tunnels is I just go out in the 4 cardinal directions, north, south, east, west, which is, you know, pretty much all you can do in Minecraft anyway. But I rarely make branching tunnels. I just sort of widen my tunnels as I go. So eventually I'll have tunnels down here that leave like a compass rose from the center of my base, and I won't typically make branching tunnels unless I find something very interesting. I will typically just keep widening that tunnel. So it might be 3 by 3 and then 5 by 5 and then so on. So now I need to, ooh, have any wood? Oh, terrible. Poor planning. I need some wood to make a crafting table. So I'm going to run back up to the top. While I have a sip of coffee. Because being that this is Minecraft old person style, old people drink coffee so they can stay awake. It is early morning, so in the real world actually. So I am, whoa, glitching and half asleep. So I'm going to take a stack of wood down with me. I'll leave some redstone up here. Oh, is there any stone there? I'm going to take some stone with me because I don't have a lot of stone downstairs. So I don't know exactly how many blocks of stone I can make using a bucket of lava, but I know it's more than 64, and I think it might be as much as 128. I think it might be 2 stacks worth of something you're allowed to cook. Not really sure. But in any event, I'm going to make myself a crafting table. Oops. And put it right here. And stick a torch on it. And now, I'm going to make myself quite a few furnaces. I will make 8. Even though I won't be using 8 right away, it allows me to cook lots of things at once. So I'm going to put in 1 bucket and 2 buckets. And if I keep mining right now, I could probably do a 3rd bucket. So I think I'm going to go get a 3rd bucket here. And so my mission is to make stone bricks. Why do I want stone bricks? Because I really want to start battling, but I don't like to battle in a dirt fort. Because all it takes is 1 creeper to come along and ba-boom. And, you know, dirt and TNT don't mix. And TNT usually wins. So that is why I'm interested in making a stone brick fort. And in actuality, I'd really rather make an obsidian fort, because obsidian's the most blast-resistant stuff I can get in this game, but it would be kind of hard to make an obsidian fort. Of course I could now that I have buckets, but really I'd need to make like, I don't know, 20 buckets, and then, you know, take up loads of lava, and then pour loads of water on it. Now I could make a infinite water source, and that would be easy to keep pouring water on stuff, but there is no such thing as an infinite lava source, at least as far as I know. So it's kind of a drag because I can't do it quickly. But you know, maybe at some point I might make a base out of obsidian. Why not? Alright, so let's drop some of this stuff off. I don't want to fall in my lava. And I've got some ore that I don't need to carry around with me. Is that dirt? I got dirt over here. What's going on? Not sure why those dirts aren't combining. And I've got some stone. I don't need to carry this wood around. I don't want anything to happen to that. I don't need to carry that stone around. So as you can see, I've made my first batch of stone, right, out of my cobblestone. So I'm just going to keep digging cobblestone to keep adding to my furnaces until my buckets of lava run out. So it's not going to be an exciting video, but you know what? This is old person style. I never said it would be exciting. I just said I'd be doing stuff. So I like to use lava because I don't waste my coal, although I'm not sure what I save all my coal for, but it just seems more efficient. I think because I can cook more than 64 things at once is why I use my lava. I'm not sure. So I can hear lava all around, so at some point I'm going to bust through in another place, I'm fairly certain. So I'm being really cautious here. I've almost run into lava pits, hundreds of times as I'm mining. Like I'll run forward like that to grab some stone and almost fall in. That's actually why that iron ore fell into the lava a little bit ago, because normally I'd run forward, but I was being very cautious because of the lava. Now what I really should have done is I should break a block, scoot forward, break a block, scoot forward. Then I can catch whatever it is I'm mining, but I was feeling a little bit lazy and didn't really want to bother with that. Alright, so I'm going to start mining one block at a time though, and getting ready to plug the dirt, this pile of dirt. That's why I have it number 2 right next to my 3, so I can plug it really quick if I need to. And looks like it's, oh, there we go. So there's some hot lava, so I'm going to block that off. And there's some hot lava. And I presume under here is some hot lava, yep. So, I think we've come to the end of this side. See what we can do over here. Wow, a little more space. And maybe I can cross this lava and go find some diamonds. Diamonds are always near, not always, but they always seem to be near lava. So my son tells me they're always near lava, so that's kind of what I'm going by. I like how my not even teenage son is the game expert that tells me how to play. But, I teach math, he teaches me Minecraft. So, alright, so I'm adding more cobblestone to my furnaces as they are cooking. So exciting. And I'm getting experience at the same time. So now I have over a stack of cobble, which is good. It's a good start. And so I could keep digging. I could keep getting buckets of lava. But I'm going to start digging the other way. Because that lava is in my way and I don't want to cover up the lava. I want to use the lava. So I'm going to start digging this way. And I hear water this way. So, if I decide that I want to do obsidian, it would be nice to have a water source right next to a lava source. And I could either use buckets and schlep those buckets up the stairs to build my battle base out of obsidian, or I could just pour some water on the lava and then get a diamond pickaxe and harvest all the obsidian. Unfortunately, I don't have a diamond pickaxe yet, and harvesting obsidian, even with a diamond pickaxe, which is really the only way you can, still takes forever, and I get bored. Anybody can come in this hole? Let's see if there's anybody up here. Nope. But I'm going to plug it up so nobody surprises me. So right now I'm collecting cobblestone. If I happen to find other things, that's fine. Like, I should probably get this gravel so I can get some flint, and then use that flint to make arrows for my barely there bow. So I'm collecting more stone, dropping off more cobble, trying to stay ahead. And notice, look at that. That flame is still there forever. I've collected, what, maybe 32 stone from each furnace so far. So I find that buckets of lava are definitely the way to go. Oh. So I'm going to start getting some gravel, which is great. And I'm going to take a peek and make sure there's no bad guys up here. Oh, look at that. There's coal, though, which, because I'm using lava, I don't really need coal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But, hey, why not? Oh, I get some flint, so that's at least one set of arrows I can make as soon as I find some chickens. Oh, yeah. I haven't found chickens yet. Sometimes I lose track. So, maybe next episode I will find some chickens. and use the chickens to make some arrows. Of course, I have to smack them dead, but you know, the chickens will make a sacrifice for my future good will. No, I guess not my good will, but for my future health, I guess I should say. They will sacrifice themselves. So I'm getting this gravel, and it sort of feels like a cheat, but you can keep putting gravel down and re-harvesting it, re-mining it, and you have a chance every time you do that of getting flint, which sort of feels like cheating. It seems like once I put the gravel down, it should be, it shouldn't give me flint if I put it down again. So anyway, I'm not sure I'm going to do that, because that feels like cheating, but I will try to get flint on this first try, while also clearing the room. So I got a couple flints, and I see some coal, which I don't need, but oftentimes other things are with coal, especially on level 12. Sometimes we get redstone. Yeah, I find that coal and iron often go together, especially on higher up levels. But down here, I find that coal, there we go, coal and iron. I find that coal also is often with redstone. And so my only concern right now is that I might hit some lava, so I'm ready to run up my stairs that I've made. I haven't actually made stairs, I'd have to jump up my blocks there. But I'm just looking for redstone, diamond. There's gold in the other room I should go get, but I haven't gotten it yet. Alright. Now there was one iron over here, which makes me suspicious. Like, there's got to be some iron with that one iron, and they don't come in ones. So I'm trying to figure out where the iron, there it is. I knew it would be around here somewhere, because sometimes they spread out, but they're not usually by themselves. But like it'll hide, it'll be, sometimes one block of ore will be separated from the other blocks of ore by a few spots, and that might be it. Look down here. Yeah, no blocks of ore. Alright, well, that's good enough. Now, as always, I detest having holes, so I'm going to plug that up. Now, that hole's big enough that maybe something will spawn in it, so he'll be noisy, whatever it is, and that'll be irritating, but, you know, it is what it is. Alright, so, got a lot more cobble. I'm going to add it to my furnaces and collect the smooth stone, which I like. And so now, I've got nearly 3 stacks of cobblestone. Got some flint for arrows. Ooh, and I have enough iron to make some more ore. So this is what I'll use my coal for, is to make some iron. So I might be able to get a whole uniform here. A whole uniform, wow, I can't speak. A whole set of armor out of this. Let's see. Nope, not quite. But while I'm here, I might as well make my first piece of armor. And so my suit and tie are now going to be covered up by my chest plate. So I have a chest plate now. Math teacher wearing armor. Very exciting. And alright, so there is coal up here, so I'm going to go see what's what, hoping that the gravel that is all over the place isn't going to fall on me, and hoping no lava or water's up here, because I really don't want to deal with that. Although the water won't be too bad, it'll just knock out some of my torches and I'll have to put them back. But I've got about 1 minute left to this video, so oh, hello. Oh, I'm out of pickaxes. I guess that might be a sign, even though I really want that armor. I mean, that coal up there. So I'm going to give myself a few more pickaxes right here at the end of the video and go harvest the rest of that coal as I'm finishing up, hopefully, my stone, so I can make some stone bricks. Oh, I haven't made stone bricks yet, so I'll show you how you make stone bricks if you've never done it before. So you take some stone and you put it in a square shape, 2 by 2, and bam, stone bricks. So put that aside in case I die, and I'm going to come get this piece of coal. And oh, I got some flint in the process. So we are just about done with this video. In fact, it ends right now officially. Let's see how my stone's going. So gosh, I tell you what, this video is going to be a little bit extended. Maybe I'll edit it out, I'm not sure. But I want to finish cooking all this stone because I just want to end there. That's OCD of me. I did want to end at the 20-minute mark, but now I can take this. So in addition to stone bricks, which I've made some of, I'm going to make some stone slabs for floors, and maybe some more. So having some stone slabs around, so I've got nearly 3 stacks of stone slabs, and I've got 2 stacks of stone bricks. And so I might as well, with my few minutes remaining, wait for those furnaces to finish cooking. I might as well start mining this other direction and see what's what. And I already see some coal, which again I don't really need, but I'm going to use hopefully as a guide to other ores that are maybe available hiding next to the coal. And there's some redstone, fabulous. So I'm at level 9 right now, so that redstone is probably going to kick me to level 10 as soon as I mine it. So as you can see, I'm starting my tunnels in all directions from my sort of central location, sort of like the center of a spoke on a bike tire or whatever. And my son just got a bike, so that's probably why I'm thinking of that. So between this coal and this redstone, there I go, and there's that weird every 5 level sound that my son was telling me about, that I don't know why they do that. I guess just for kicks. Oops, I need to mine with iron pickaxe. So I'm going to get, ooh, hello, more redstone. So I'm going to collect this stuff, and then that'll probably be the end of the video as soon as I get all this coal and redstone out of this room. And gosh, I might get up to level 12 with all this stuff here. And of course, it took me forever to figure out what levels were for. And they are, of course, for enchanting or mending things on using an anvil. I will be, at some point, my mission will be to enchant something. But I'd only like to enchant diamond things because I'm just like that. I don't like to enchant things that are not made of diamond. It feels like a waste. And so I'm going to wait until I have like a diamond pickaxe. And my first thing I try to usually enchant is a diamond pickaxe, so it is quicker and faster, because I hate mining with it. Especially when I'm mining. I only use it to mine obsidian, but when I do, it takes forever. So, and why do I want to mine obsidian? Well, you know, that portal thingy that takes you to that, what is that, the nether, I guess? Alright, so let's go see how our furnaces are doing. They are still going. Wow. Things go on forever. So I'm just going to fill them back up, collect some more stone, and while I'm here, I might as well get this gold. See if there's anything up here. Nope. Alright. So I'm going to collect this gold, and hopefully by the time... Really? That's it? Alright, well, I don't feel like hunting above my room for more gold, so I'll just take the 2 gold and be done with it. So I'm hoping these things are done soon, so I can end this episode, and then tomorrow I will build my battle base, which I'm really excited about, because I'm going to put a water entrance in it and everything, because then I can really start battling things. So I think I'll make another stack of stone bricks, since I've got these here. And other than stone slabs and stone bricks, the only thing I will need for my base are some torches, some fences. Oh, we're done. Yay. And I'm just going to fill these back up with stone for later. I usually continuously cook stone to make stone bricks, but I'm not sure I really need to in this game, because I might actually build my base mostly. I might replace it with obsidian. So anyway, I now have some stone, some stone bricks, and some stone slabs, so I am ready to go. And so that will be the end of this episode. Thank you for joining me, And let's see, can you look at me? Hello. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
That is fun. That is fun.